Alright, I have finally filled out my college application for the Adult Education Instructional Coordinator, and I'm going through the review tab, and I wanted to make sure that I recorded it all. Alright, just trying to make you see, trying to help you to remember stuff. Alright. Pause where needed. Alright, I'm going to do a quick run up and then, alright, again, pause where needed. I want to make sure I did everything correctly before turning it in tonight. Plan on turning it in about 8. I just need you to kind of look over it and review it. I'm backing up a little. Work experience, Dallas County. Alright. It looks a little lengthy, but I wanted to make sure that I fulfilled their obligations. I'm going to show you their what is it? I'm gonna show you something. I can't think of it right now, but their job description, the reason why I put so much in there. The rest of them are kind of short, but I think it'll be alright. If you think I need to add something, just let me know. That's it with that. Let me show you the actual job description. If I can open it up. And they said to make sure you match your resume and application or whatever with the description. So I'm going to do this, and then I will be getting out of this. And I will need you to let me know immediately. Did I miss something? Kind of reread over it and everything. So that's that. Alright, here's the job description right here in this section. So I just wanted to make sure I met it. This is what they told us to do. And that's it that I'm going to show you right now. Thank you.